Hello, my name is Claudio Rodriguez. Today is April the 11th, 2021, and this is CIRC07 Attempt C. Today we're going to be giving the Arduino input to turn on an LED light using a push button pin. Starting at the code here, we have something called constant variables. These are fixed values that do not change throughout the entire execution of the program, so they will stay the same. In this case, our button pin is set to pin 2 and the LED to pin number 13 on the Arduino. Our typical variables, we have one called button state, which is set at a value of 0, but this one will change depending further down in the code, depending on whether the button is pressed or not. So our setup here, we set up our output for a pin, and in this case the input also. Now down here we have our button state is equal to this routine digital read, which is a button pin. That's checking if the button is being pushed or not, and the way it reads if it is or not is through the pulse from the Arduino, from the voltage. So in this if statement here, if button state equals a high pulse, a high voltage, then that turns that LED on. Else it'll read it as a low voltage, so it's either high. If it's not high, then it's low, so that means it will turn it off. So it's either high on or low off. Here in the Arduino, very simple setup. We got the push button here, and giving instruction through the pin. It is number 2. Yeah, and then the LED is over here at number 13, feeding the LED. 5 volts, ground wires, all the same. We're using the 560 OHM resistors as well as the 10K OHM resistor. That's for the push button. Those cut off the pulse on and off. And as you can see, I press the button, press it down, off. Leave it off, it's on. Okay, thank you.